In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone in chat in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tag someone so they see your message quickly and clearly without any confusion. Mentions are a simple way to draw attention to a specific person in a conversation. When you mention someone, they'll be highlighted and may receive a special notification, which helps your message stand out in busy chats. This is especially useful in group conversations where it's easy for details to get lost. First, open Gmail in your browser. On the left sidebar, look for the section labeled Chat. This is where your ongoing conversations live. Click Chat to open your list of chats. If you don't see Chat on the sidebar, it may be collapsed or hidden by your layout. You can adjust your view later in settings, but for now, focus on getting to the chat list. Next, select the conversation where you want to mention someone. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Click the conversation to open it so you can see the message box at the bottom. If it's a group chat, keep in mind that mentioning someone is a polite way to nudge them without pinging everyone else. Now, in the message box, type the @ symbol, which is the @ character, and immediately start typing the person's name or their email. As you type, Gmail will show a small list of matching people. Click the correct person from that list to confirm your mention. If you prefer, you can keep typing until the name looks right and then press Enter to select it. The mention will appear highlighted in your draft so you know it's recognized. After that, finish your message as you normally would and press Enter to send. A couple of tips to make this smoother. If the person has a common name, include more letters of the name or use their email to narrow down the suggestions. Double check that you're selecting the right person, especially if your organization has multiple contacts with similar names. If the person isn't part of the conversation yet, Gmail may prompt you to add or invite them before the mention can work. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, go to Chat, choose your conversation, type @, select the person, and send your message. Use mentions thoughtfully to keep conversations focused and to make sure the right people see the right information at the right time.